In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Airbrush Soft in Krita. To get started, select the Airbrush Soft brush. Press F6 to open the brush presets docker if it isn't already visible. In the search bar, type Airbrush Soft, or look for the preset named Airbrush Soft. Once you find it, click the preset to make it your active brush. The Airbrush Soft brush is designed to build up color gradually instead of applying full color in a single stroke. Rather than trying to create the final result with one pass, paint over the same area several times. Each pass adds more color, allowing you to create smooth transitions without harsh edges. As you continue painting, layer the color slowly until you reach the shading or lighting effect you're looking for. This gradual approach helps create softer shadows, smoother highlights, and cleaner blends between colors. If you're just getting started with this brush, keep the opacity between 20 and 40%. This makes it easier to build up color little by little and gives you more control over each stroke. For larger shaded areas or smooth gradients, increase the brush size so the transitions appear more even. The Airbrush Soft brush is commonly used for soft skin shading, glowing effects, clouds, mist, soft shadows, and background gradients. It can also be used to clean scan sketches by creating a new layer and painting over unwanted marks with white. Once you've adjusted the brush size and opacity to fit your project, continue layering your strokes until you achieve the smooth look you want. And that's how to use Airbrush Soft in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.